Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Paperpal, an AI-powered academic writing assistant that helps researchers, students, and authors write better, faster, and more confidently. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
Paperpal isn't just a grammar checker, it's an all-in-one research and writing companion. It supports you through every stage of your academic writing process, from finding sources and citing them correctly to rewriting, polishing, and checking your final submission. The first major feature is research and cite. You can ask Paperpal a research question, for example, how does multitasking affect attention? And it will instantly summarize findings from over 250 million published papers. Then, with a single click, you can insert citations into your document already formatted in the style you choose, like APA or MLA. Another great feature of Paperpal is the rewrite tool. You can rewrite an entire paragraph or just a section of it by simply editing the text and clicking rewrite. In just a few seconds, Paperpal generates a new version that keeps the original meaning but improves the flow and style. What's even better is that you can choose how you want your text to sound: more academic, simpler, or more formal. After generating the new version, if there are still sentences or words you don't like, you can select them and instantly create another version until it feels perfect. And if you ever need to translate part of your text, Paperpal makes it easy. We all know how confusing or inaccurate online translators can be, but Paperpal translates with remarkable accuracy while preserving the original sense of your text. Just highlight the section, click Translate, choose your language, and it's done. You can even rewrite the translated version afterward if you want to refine the tone or style. You can start using Paperpal for free, but the Prime plan lets you unlock everything it has to offer. So next time you start writing, don't do it alone. Try Paperpal and let AI make your academic writing effortless. And see you soon. Peace out.